Hello, my dear students. Welcome to EVS class. In today's class, we will do the book exercise of chapter 14, Storing and Saving Water. Before starting, I request all of you to take your pencil and eraser and turn on to page number 13 of book 6. So let us start. A. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. The words given below are summer, harvesting, buckets, drinking, and overhead. Number 1. Water can be stored in dash. Answer is buckets. Water can be stored in buckets. Number 2. In large buildings, water is stored in dash tanks. Answer is overhead. In large buildings, water is stored in overhead tanks. Number 3. Water in ponds and lakes is not fit for dash. Answer is drinking. Water in ponds and lakes is not fit for drinking. Number 4. Water shortage is felt more during the dash season. In which season do we feel water shortage? Answer is summer. Number 5. Rainwater can be saved by dash it. Answer is harvesting. Rainwater can be saved by harvesting it. Okay, now come to the next question. B. Give one example for the following. Number 1. A bird that dances with joy when it rains. Do you know which bird dances with joy in rain? Answer is peacock. Number 2. A small animal that croaks loudly when it rains. Answer is frog. Number 3. A worm that comes out from the soil when it rains. Answer is earthworm. Number 4. A bird that sings sweetly when it rains. And answer is cuckoo. Next question is C. Look at the containers shown below and answer the questions that follow. Pictures of the containers shown below are tub, bucket, overhead tank, mug and drum. Question number 1. Which of these containers stores the maximum quantity of water? Answer is overhead tank. Question number 2. Which of these containers stores the least quantity of water? From the given pictures, which container stores very small quantity of water? Answer is mug. Question number 3. Which two containers would you use while bathing? Write down answer, bucket and mug. So students, we have completed the book exercise of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.